Hi guys, we're back and today we are learning how to do an Orbeez stress ball. So, I have Orbeez right here and you can either buy them already made or you can get Orbeez seeds and make Orbeez. Basically, you just put your Orbeez seeds in a bowl like this and then fill them up with water. Quick thank you to my friend Eleanor who gave me these Orbeez. She's so amazing and so kind. But yeah, we're learning how to do a DIY Orbeez stress ball. So, what you'll need for this video is a plastic bag and Orbeez. So this is like a really quick craft. So basically what you need to do is just put in Orbeez in your bag. So just fill them up. Also, so like my brother broke like half of the Orbeez. So like now mine are all like pieces and stuff. But beside the point, also I found this massive Orbeez, which I'm definitely gonna put in there. So yeah. So basically you fill it up to about right here, and then you're just gonna zip it up. And then you're gonna just open up the slightest bit in the corner and squeeze out all the air. So I'm just gonna squeeze out all the air and seal it back up real quick. And then there you have it. That's your DIY Orbeez stress ball. You can make like a ton of them. You could separate the colors and make like individually colored ones. But thank you so much, Eleanor, for giving me these Orbeez. So yeah, that's how you make an Orbeez stress ball. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and click the bell button to get notified when I post a new video. So bye!